Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the 73920 waterfall valve on a 2008-14 Limelight spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver. Parts you will need: 73920 water feature on-off valve. Step 1. Pry the lever off the valve assembly with the screwdriver. Step 2. Remove the old valve by turning it clockwise. Step 3. Remove the new valve from the assembly by turning it counterclockwise. Step 4. Align the new valve and install it by turning it clockwise. Step 5. Press the lever firmly into the new valve. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.